In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up custom automation triggers in Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your Wix dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click Automations. This will take you to the automation area where you can create and manage workflows for your site. Next, click Create Automation. When the Create a New Automation window appears, choose Start from Scratch. This opens the automation builder and lets you build a workflow based on your own trigger and action choices. Inside the builder, click Select a Trigger. You will now see the available trigger options. You can use the search bar to quickly find a specific trigger, or you can browse through the trigger categories listed in the left panel. Wix offers a variety of trigger types depending on the apps and features connected to your site. Choose the trigger that fits the workflow you want to create. For example, you might select Forms Submitted, Order Placed, or Visitor Signs up to your site. You can also choose another event that matches your business needs. After selecting the trigger, configure its settings. The exact options may vary depending on the trigger you choose. Once the settings are ready, click Apply or Save if that option appears. After the trigger is in place, click the plus button below it. Then select Add an Action. This is where you define what should happen automatically after the trigger occurs. Choose the action you want Wix to perform. Common options include sending an email, creating a task, updating a contact, or using another available action that supports your workflow. If your automation needs more than one step, continue building it by adding extra actions. You can also insert delays if you want something to happen later, or add conditions to control when certain actions should run. This helps you create a more customized and useful automation. Once your workflow is complete, click Test to make sure everything works as expected. Testing is important because it helps confirm that the trigger and actions are connected properly and that the automation behaves the way you want. When you are satisfied with the setup, click Activate in the top right corner. This turns on the automation and allows Wix to start running it based on the trigger you selected. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.